This is Milwaukee's 12-volt blower. It is a compact blower designed for cleaning of workspaces, cleaning of parts, as well as dusting off areas around the workshop and the job site. The blower is very compact and only measures 270 mm in length and 220 mm in height. This blower comes with an extension as well as two interchangeable heads. This blower is very quiet. Operating at only 78 decibels, it means that it is very suitable for confined area applications and will not disturb people around you. The blower weighs only 1.7 kilos and is very portable and handy for all applications. The blower comes with two modes: Speed 1 to optimize the battery life during operation, and Speed 2 to increase the airflow for tougher applications. When the blower is in operation, the battery indicator light will also show how much battery is left. The blower extension can be locked and unlocked for easy removal. You can also remove the blower head depending on your application. This makes the Milwaukee blower very versatile and suitable to be used in many workshop applications. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.